Hi everyone, this video is about exercise 38 and the topic is present perfect. Now to apply present perfect correctly, there are two parts of the verb. One part is has or have and the other part is the past participle go and gone, the form gone. There are a few cases you can apply present perfect. The first case, an action happened at an unspecific time before now. That means something happened in the past, but you don't know the time. The other one, use the present perfect to describe your experience. Number 3, use the present perfect to list the accomplishment of individuals, which means what you have just done. Number 4, use the present perfect to say that an action which we expect has not happened. Now, let's go to question number 1. The first word that we can focus is at the moment. And what is happening at the moment is raining. And what is raining? Is it? The answer, no, it's just stopped it. And it's a short form, it's for long. You should use it has just stopped it. And you can see has just stopped it is an action happened at moment not long ago, which is unspecific time before now. There is a graph and you can see the UTBN unspecific time before now is the purple arrow that pointing to the past. So that's why we apply present perfect. Next, can't find. Who can't find? I can't find. Can't find what? My keys. Now, to ask a question with present perfect, we take a look at the first part. Sin. This is also an action with unspecific time before now, UTBN. And the other keyword that matters is the word you. Because of this subject you, we have to use have. So the answer is have is sin. Sin what? Sin them. Sin what is the them referring to? My keys. Good. Alright, number 3. Where's your dictionary? Disappear. What time? I don't know. So it's an action with UTBM, unspecific time before now. Before we write the answer, there's another word we have to focus is the word it, because it's telling me whether we should use has or whether you should use have. So the answer, it has disappeared. But take a look at the answer. I don't know. It has disappeared. Actually, that is a hidden word. What is it? Is the word that. The complete sentence should be I don't know that it has disappeared. Now you can see the whole sentence, it has disappeared. Actually, it's telling you more about the word that. So that's why we highlight it with yellow, which means that it's an adjective. The whole sentence is an adjective. Alright, good. Next one. Let's go and see Lions of Africa at the Canon Cinema. Let's go. The word let's actually is a short form for who is let us go and see. Alright. And you can tell the main word see and the word already is an other way of an action UTBN, unspecific time before now. And with the subject I can already form an answer I have already seen. Now, but you have to focus also one more word, the word sin, which is an irregular verb. Irregular verb is a verb form without finish with ed. So we call this irregular. Alright, the other part of the answer C. What is it? These actions use the present perfect to describe your experience. What experience? See green bins. And also the subject you. Telling us we should use have. So the answer for this question will be, oh well. Have you seen green bins? Very nice. Now we go to question number 5. Can have is a request at the moment. Not finished, an action which we expect but has not happened. And the word I is telling us whether we should use has or have. So, the answer, I have not finished. Now, take a look at the word finished. It's ended with ed, so it's a regular verb. Now go to question number 6. At home, are at home is a status of them at the moment. Who are them? Steve and mother. And the word go is an action with UTBM, unspecific time before now. And the word they telling us we should use the word have. So the answer, no. They have gone out. Okay? And also the word gone is an irregular verb because it is not ended with ed. Now question number 7. Looks thinner is a person's status of he. And who is he? John. And the word lost use the person perfect to list the accomplishment of individuals, which means what we have done. And the word he is telling us we should use the word has. So the answer will be, has he lost weight? Has he lost weight? Good. Now question number 8. Is enjoying is a present status of she. Who is she? Sally. And the word not here, they use the present perfect to say that an action which we expect has not happened. And the word I is telling you should use the word have. And so together is I haven't heard. And the word heard is another irregular verb because it's not ended with ed. I haven't heard from her. Alright, question number 9. Doesn't work is the present status of eat, and the word eat is talking about this tape recorder. And the word break use the present perfect to list the accomplishment of individuals. And who did it? You did it. And the word you telling me I have to use have. So the answer will be, you have broken it. I think you have broken it. Number 10. You are is a present status of you. And the verb be use the present perfect to describe your experience, and the subject you telling us we must use have. So where have you been? And been is belongs to the verb to be family and is also a regular verb. So the answer, where have you been? Question 11. The word take use the present perfect to describe your experience, and the word you is a subject remind us that we should use the word have. So the answer is, how many times have you taken your driving test? Twice. My third one is next week. Question number 12. The first area we have to focus is the word is and the word music, because it's telling us the present status of the subject. And the second part is not here. This verb is using the present perfect to tell an action which we expected but has not happened. And the other one, I, actually is telling you the verb have must be used. So the answer, I haven't heard it before. And the whole sentence, I'm sure I haven't heard it before. And the word heard is an irregular verb. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.